Breaking news coming in. Hathras victim's father has released a statement after his virtual meeting with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He says, and I quote, "We are satisfied with the probe by the UP government. I appeal to everyone to not indulge in any form of protest. Chief Minister has promised to meet all my demands." Unquote. That is the father, victim's father, who has issued a statement at the moment expressing satisfaction with the probe that is being conducted by the UP administration. But remember, we showed you that the family was kept away from the cremation when the midnight cremation took place. Listen to what the victim's father said last night after his virtual meeting with the UP Chief Minister.
बात नहीं जो क्या कहते हैं, जो हमारी बेटी के जो क्या कहते हैं वो न्याय की बात है, तो उसमें मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बोली है कि इसमें कोई भी छेड़छाड़ नहीं होगी और जो धारा हैं वो धारा जैसी की तैसी रहेंगी और इसमें कोई भी मतलब
फांसी की सजा के लिए क्या बोला था?
हाँ, फांसी की सजा की मांग करी है हमने। एक नौकरी, सरकारी आवास और 25 लाख रुपये।
All right, victim's father has released a statement saying that he's convinced with the action taken by the UP administration on the probe by the UP government, and he's satisfied with the probe that is being conducted by the UP government. He has gone ahead and appealed to the people to not indulge in protests at the moment. Remember, the family was not even allowed to get a last glimpse of their daughter, and that was reported by my colleague Tanushree. She was present at the cremation site. Tanushree, this is the latest statement that is coming in from the victim's father at the moment, and many would argue that this statement perhaps was given under pressure because we do know the plight of the family when they were not allowed to even be present at the cremation, where in the stroke of the midnight hour there was just a cremation that took place, and you were present there to witness that none of the family members were even allowed. And now you've got the statement coming in from the Hathras victim's father. What do you make of it, given you're tracking the story on ground?
Well, the father of the victim has just now given a statement saying that he, he's satisfied by the assurance given by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. Yesterday, we reported he had a 5-minute video conferencing with the Chief Minister, where the Chief Minister assured him justice. He made an SIT. He gave a compensation of rupees 25 lakh and a C category job to one of the son and a house as well. Now, the father is saying that he's satisfied, and he has also urged all the protesters to not do any sort of protest outside the village. Now, Chaiti, we all would believe that he would give such a statement under duress because, of course, as you rightly mentioned, that we would understand the plight of the family, a family which was not even given the permission to see their daughter's face one last time. But Chaiti, I was present there with the father yesterday when he came back after the meeting with Yogi Adityanath. I categorically asked him at least 5 times that, sir, are you giving this statement? Was there any pressure on you? Are you giving this statement under any kind of duress? And he categorically told me that no, I don't want to, trouble anybody else anymore now. And I am satisfied, and I want to trust the administration that they would give justice to my daughter and to our family. So the father has told us that he is not giving this statement under any kind of pressure. But again, we understand the state of affairs in Uttar Pradesh, Chaiti, and one would not believe what even the statement. One can't even really completely believe one's statement. One would always suggest that there is something more than what meets the eye. So maybe there is some kind of pressure on the father to give a statement like this, that I am satisfied with the assurance given by the Chief Minister. But the father categorically told me, Chaiti, yesterday that no, I am not in any kind of pressure. I am giving this statement in absolute senses, and I do not want to trouble anybody anymore. That is why my daughter is gone, and I don't want to make any more trouble for anybody else. So that is why I am making this statement, that let's wait for the SIT to complete its investigation. Until then, don't do any sort of protest, because it's also the COVID situation on the ground. This is what exactly the father told me yesterday.
Okay, but Tanushree, thank you so much for getting us those details right there. Tanushree, remember, was present to witness how this entire cremation really unfolded without the family members being present over there, even not allowed to kiss a final goodbye to their daughter. But now the father's released a statement saying that he's convinced and he's okay with the probe that is being conducted by the UP administration.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.